shall do investigations, and whoever will be caught with anything from this Pacific venture will be arrested and action will be taken. So I urge those who might have taken advantage of the incident to return all stolen properties to the owner. Investigations are going on to find out the cause of the fire.
Thank you so much.
Anaweza kusema kwa statement kidogo, specific point yake kwa statement kidogo. Officer, yeah? That is okay. Ama anaweza ongea ndio. Poleni kwa sasa na huyo statement nasikia akisema kwa investigation ile vitu ndio kama sasa kama mmefanya assessment au first kusema investigation.
Hi, good morning everyone. My name is Peter Maina. I'm the CEO and founder of ADRE, Africa Disaster Management. We work together with the national government on the issues to do with the disaster. This morning, as our boss have said, around 6, we received a call about the fire on modern furniture. And when we arrived here, we thank God that there was no casualties. When we checked on our incident report, we tried to combine everything that our first members of the site, that is the police officers, they were here. They did a good job together with some of the workers of the modern furniture. And we want to tell people, when such an incident happens, it's not a time for you to get free things. You come and steal properties that are worth money. It's not good. First thing, think of saving your life, think of saving that other person's life. And as we have talked with our team here and also the owner of the modern furniture, some of the properties that have been burned, you can see this is the warehouse where the showroom is. That is where the machine is. Most area that was affected is on the machine side, and they have lost properties. And those machines, I believe they are worth over 50 million and above. At least, we thank God that whatever they have insured on their walls, it was for fire safety. They have been able to put gypsums that they were able to safeguard the fire from going to the other side. That is one of the precautions that they have taken. But we also advise that when we looked at some of the fire, you can see behind me, we have the fire bell here. This is supposed to be triggered once the fire is there, so that the water sprinkler pipes can be used to put off the fire. So we want to make sure that as we are going through our investigations, through our checklist, we want to make sure that those things they were operational. We don't want to assume right now that they were not operating, but we thank God that everything was put off very well. We want to thank our team here, even to the media team that arrived here early. At least they have been able to cover everything, and we thank God. And I want to advise this to other companies. Please make sure that the safety of your team members, the safety of your properties, there is what we call the OSHA. OSHA, it is the Occupation Safety and Health, the certificate and for the associate and all that. Please assure your people, assure your properties, so that in the case of any injuries, we are able to safeguard these people. Thank you so much. About the safety of the workers, let us not talk much on that, because at least nobody who have been injured. It was well.
Kwa statement kufanya investigation kuhusu hizo vitu ziliibiwa ya Karago.
Sasa nimeona mnaiona ile rafiki yangu hii. Ile hiyo anamtafuta mimi wakati
Kalisi, Murage anaongelea wapi na kamera? Murage kwa kamera kwa. Oh. Oh, okay. So guys, this is exactly what has happened.
Uma dinachara nani ndio huyo ndimo lero modern panja bazeli kiana ilumira ya doka kulola na dakora niguo nima factory niguo kuriaga ndu showroom guti factory ndio ya hia yote twetera ina mathabu meko makumenya twate milioni cigana na milioni cigana ciora modern panja bazeli factory how Kiria ningihota gucokia hote kumenya exactly ni milioni cigana twate no ni twate gicunji kia milioni nyingi muno ciora factory no showroom turi okwa o kawaida ni machini iria tumikaga factory yakwa kana getha gitikithi twakaga gitikuma scratch kuma kiambiriria nginya mwisho rudi tutimpotaga twakagira gukuroko so machini icio material storage yako yabikaga indo icio benefit ndao kumbana timu iria rutaga wira utuko no gutiri mundu wona mutino tondu metio ni masoja na mero maume kwina mwana tuko the Kenya kwa yoga ya kiumo kia mwaki kia umaku kundu kuu ni kundu kuriagwo ni andu aingi muno kuriagwo ni andu makĩria magana merĩ na 50 nginya magana matatũ. Niĩ ndĩwoire ũhoro wa kawaida tondũ gũtirĩ mũndũ waumia. Kĩrĩa ndingĩigua kĩahutia ngoro yakwa nĩ kũigua ke mũndũ wagĩa injury kũu thĩinĩ. So ndingĩ serious hau nĩho mũndũ ambagia kũrwara ũkanjia kũrwara high blood pressure, macukari. Ũbataire kuga this was a normal day ta mũthenya ũrĩa ũngĩ ukauga ndĩrera Ngai athongiri mbere nigetha kambuni ituĩke ya gũthiĩ na mbere. Na tondũ showroom ciitũ ciothe gũtirĩ handũ ciahunjio rĩ, showroom ya Murage Pacific na Ikuru ĩ sawa, ya Nairobi ĩ sawa, ya Nyeri ĩ sawa, no factory yahunjio. Ngera andũ aitũ na rĩu thaa ici ndĩngĩonania ndirĩ na hinya. Andũ magana matatũ no makũrora nako marĩaga kũu thĩinĩ. So bataire kũmonia niĩ ndĩ na hinya, ndĩmonie tũgũthiĩ na mbere, na ndĩmonie twĩna hinya na Ngai arĩ hamwe na ithuĩ. In Jesus name nĩ atĩ tũgũthiĩ kũraihu. Sawa. Pumua. Sawa. Haya, mimi naitwa Murage, mimi naitwa Gibson Murage Gitonga, CEO Modern Furniture Pacific. Leo tumepata na tumekuwa na mkaza wa factory yetu imeugua. Tunasema sisi tuko sawa, showroom haijaguzwa. Ile kitu imeguzwa ni factory. So mimi naambia client wetu wasistuke wenye wameorder vitu online, vitu zao timeline yetu yenye mwanga unapatiwa ukienda Modern Furniture Pacific still remain the same. Hakuna kitu ina change. Ile duka imeguzwa tu kidogo, ni duka ya branch ya Nairobi imeguzwa tu kidogo, but by tomorrow duka zitakuwa open. Hautakuja useme unataka kumake order ukose, hautakuja kwa duka yetu useme nataka kitu fulani ukose, because hakuna showroom haijashomeka, hakuna kitu ya showroom haijashomeka.